everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great with you all as always. As you know, you must have got by the title itself that this is my last video. And this is the look that I created for my last video with a smoky eyeliner and a glittery eyelid, and I also experimented with my lip color. So be patient and watch the video till the end so that you get what I did with my lips to get this color and this look here. And if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. By the title of the video, you must have got that this is my last video. So let's do something interesting for the New Year Eve party. Let's try something new, and you could see how my skin reacts during winter. It's already sensitive and it becomes more sensitive and it tends to get more dry during winters. And I also got one new friend. So to nourish my skin, I'm using the moisturizer from Joy. It's honey and almond moisturizer with wheat gram oil and natural sunscreen. It also has sunscreen in it, so I'm gonna apply it all over my face. It's towards the heavy moisturizer, but I need it badly for my skin, so that's why I'm using this moisturizer. So now I have done my moisturizer, and before moisturizing my face, I have also toned it with the help of the toner from the Face Shop. Let's move to the eyes first. I'm using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer to conceal my eyes and to make it ready for the eyeshadows. As I'm gonna use glitter, so that's why I'm doing my eyes first, because you know it very well, the glitters are tend to fall on the face and make your base dirty. So that's why whenever you are sure that you are going to use glitters, then do your eye makeup first and then do your base makeup. To set the concealer, I'm using my Maybelline's loose powder in the shade light medium with my powder brush. So the first palette I'm going to use is the Maybelline's Lemonade Grace palette, and I'm going to use the Ice Pop color, that is the bright pink eyeshadow from the palette, and directly apply it in my crease with a fluffy brush. And all over my eyelid, I'm gonna apply the Coral Punch eyeshadow, that is this one light pink color, with the help of eyeshadow brush. Now again, by taking the fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend the two eyeshadows so that there won't look any harsh lines in between the eyeshadows and it looks seamless. And now I'm gonna take the purple eyeliner pencil. It's from NK Makeup. It's Auto Eyeliner, and I'm gonna draw a line close to my lash line. Here you can make the use of cello tape to make the end look sharper and pointed. Now with the help of a smudging brush, I'm gonna smudge the liner that we created. A little bit of black I'm gonna take, and it is from Wet n Wild, and place it very close and near to my lash line. And then I'm gonna take the amethyst color, that is the purple eyeshadow from Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty, in the same smudging brush and apply it. And now just in the center of the eyelid, just above the liner, I'm gonna place the glitter, and before that, here I'm using the glitter glue from NYX. The glitter I'm gonna use is this white glitter. It is from Faces Canada, and apply it with the same brush. as it's the time for the base makeup, here I'm using my Oil Volume Base Glow On from Etude House. It's a facial oil with gold flecks in it. Is it the gold flecks? I don't know what is it, but there is something golden in it. So this I'm gonna use, and it's gonna benefit me in 3 ways, as it will provide moisturizer, hydration, as a primer, and also as a strobing cream. So today I'm gonna mix the two foundations. Firstly, Huda Beauty's foundation in the shade Emerity, and the second one is L'Oreal's True Match foundation in Beige Rose. So this is high definition, high coverage foundation, and it's fully matte, and this is in satin finish. It's buildable. One pump of Huda Beauty's and one pump of my L'Oreal True Match foundation. And I mix them both nicely at the back of my hand, and I'm dabbing it with my finger all over the place where I need the foundation to be. And now with the help of my powder brush or foundation brush, it's a fluffy brush, you can use it for powder or as well as for foundation. So I'm using the brush to blend the foundation into my skin. The problem with high coverage foundation is that it takes much time to blend into the skin, whether you are using a brush or beauty blender or with your finger, but it takes time to blend it. For concealer, again I'm using my Maybelline's Eye Eraser Concealer in the shade 110 Fair, and I'm applying it just under my eye area, not too much, a little bit is enough, and my chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. For bronzer, again I'm using my stick from Focaccia in the shade Coffee, and it is about to finish now. I need to buy another one, and now I'm applying it just below my cheekbones, my jawline, sides of the nose. I'm gonna blend my contour first with the help of my fluffy angled brush before I blend my concealer. Quickly I'm blending my concealer with my beauty blender. Now to set the concealer, I'm using my Maybelline's loose powder again with my beauty blender. Now I'm using my powder brush to remove the excess powder. So to bronze my face, I'm using my Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade Bronzer Kiss and applying it with the same brush. For blush, I'm using the stick from CHAMBOR in the shade Crimson and applying it with my blush brush. For highlighter, again I'm using my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and I'm gonna apply it with this brush here on my cheekbones, under my brow bone. We forgot to fill in our brows, cupid's bow, chin, tip of my nose, and a bit on the bridge. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows quickly with this eyebrow pencil from Etude House. It has the spoolie at one end. Usually all the brow pencils have. Again, with the help of the spoolie, I'm going to brush off the excess, if any. And this way it looks more natural, I feel so. And if you feel the same, then please do comment me in the comment section below whether you feel the same way I feel. For the mascara, I'm going to first apply the fiber portion from L'Oreal False Lash Mascara to the both upper and lower lashes. And then I'm gonna apply the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline, and I'm gonna apply just a single coat of it as I'm gonna use the falsies. going back to the eyes, I'm gonna tightline my lower waterline with the same purple liner. Also dragging it a little bit lower so that I can smoke it out. Taking the same amethyst color. Or should I take the glitter one? Yes, I'm gonna take this glitter eyeshadow, that is the Twilight color from the palette, and apply it in the lower lash line. What I feel is the purple color in the lower waterline is not suiting much, so that's why I'm using the black kajal to tightline my lower waterline. That's nice. I need to smoke it out a little bit. Black eyeshadow. Now it's looking good. So now the mascara goes to my lower lash line. For the lashes, I am using the premium lashes from ProArt. It's 003 and I will be back after applying these falsies. So I'm back after applying my falsies, and for the lips I'm gonna do a pink lipstick. You can have both. If you want to go for pink, you can do your lips pink, or if you want to do it purple, Utopia, that is the purple shade, or pink shade. If you want, you can go with that as well. Let's mix up the two shades again. The Utopia, that is the purple shade of lipstick, and the second one will be the pink one. It both look similar on the screen, but it is different. Let's try. I'm gonna line my lips with the Utopia, that is the purple lipstick. And now I'm gonna fill in the lips with this pink color, that is the 2997 shade from CHAMBOR. And with the help of my brush, I will just blend the two shades. What I'm gonna do is I'm taking this color, that is the Twilight, on a smudging brush, and I'm just placing it in middle of my lower lips. So here comes the end of the video, and this is the final look that I created. I really like the look, especially the lips, and also the smoky liner with glittery eyelid, satin finish eyeshadow in my lower lash line as well. I really enjoyed creating this look. Yeah, if you like the video, if you like the look, then give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Do follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and the links I will be giving in the description box below, so do check that. And also you can follow me on my TikTok account, so ID for the TikTok account will also be given in the description box below, so you can check that as well. To comment me in the comment section whether you like the look or not. Yeah, as you know, there are only 2 days left, or maybe 1 day left for the new year till I post the video. You must have planned something for the new year, or what are your resolutions for the new year? So comment me in the comment section below about your plans, about your resolutions. And as I told that this is the last video of YouTube, that means this is the last video of the year, and the new video will be in the new year. And a happy and prosperous, healthy, wealthy new year to all my YouTube family out there. So stay healthy and stay happy. Till then, bye. For bronzer, here I am using the bronzer from London. Seeing your makeup product breaking, it gives the same feeling as if someone is leaving you forever.